Resolution is the most important thing about art because it determines how clear or how blurry your art's gonna be. Welcome back to TutsByKai, I'm Kai, and today we're talking about resolution. Let's take this image for example. This image's resolution is 3,840 pixels by 2,160 pixels. What this means is that if I zoom in to see the individual pixels, there'll be 3,840 of these single pixels from left to right, and 2,160 of these individual pixels up and down. But here's the issue. If we draw at a lower resolution, that means there's less pixels in the image, and the smaller we go, the more it starts to look like pixel art. At a high resolution, we can see the detail of the makeup on her skin, but if we scale it down to a smaller resolution, then all that's lost. So if you want a high quality image, then draw at a high resolution. Let's take a quick look at one image at 3 different sizes. The first one is 3,225 pixels left and right, and 4,032 pixels up and down. I scaled this one to 1,500 by 1,875. And finally, I scaled this one to 500 by 625. I'm sorry, when did we start playing Stardew Valley? This is why resolution is so important. I decided to make this video because I had someone recently ask me why their art is pixely. When I asked them what resolution they draw in, they said 160 by 200. This is what 160 by 200 looks like. So now we've stopped playing Stardew Valley, and now we're playing Terraria. Yeah. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to always drop a like and subscribe if you're new. And if you aren't new, or if you are new, why don't you just drop a hello down in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one, but until then, bye-bye.